A kiss for you. How can I kiss a tall giraffe? The answer, I'm sure, will make you laugh. I climb his neck like a mountaineer, and then I kiss him on his ear. How do I kiss a lazy sloth? In a way that's going to suit us both. Up the tree, I hustle and bustle, so he doesn't have to move a muscle. How do I kiss a little sparrow? She flies as straight as a feathered arrow, and then before I can even speak, she kisses me gently with her beak. How do I kiss a koala bear? It's very easy. She sits there, so very quietly up I sneak and kiss her on her furry cheek. How do I manage to kiss a fish? If to kiss a fish is what I wish, out in the water it's easy to get a fishy kiss, but it's very wet. How do I kiss a rhinoceros? It's really quite preposterous. I just pretend he's a unicorn, and then I kiss him on his horn. Who else would I like to kiss? Someone I really mustn't miss. You are sure to guess exactly who. The biggest kiss of all's for you. Please like and subscribe and click the bell icon to get new video updates.